In a large pot or a Dutch oven over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté 1 pound of hot Italian sausage and cook the sausage until brown. Season with 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a pinch of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Continue stirring the pot until the sausage is brown. Oh, and one more thing, get the written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Once the sausage has been cooked, use a slotted spoon and remove the sausage out of the pot. Now in the same pot over medium heat, add in mirepoix. The mirepoix consists of 2 carrots, 1 celery stack, and 1 medium-sized onion, all diced. Sauté the vegetables until the onion becomes translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Then pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Give that a quick stir to get things going. Then add 2 pounds of roasted potatoes, diced. Season the soup with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a stir to combine. Now bring the soup to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, continue simmering for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. And once the potatoes are fork tender, you may proceed. Bring the cooked sausage back into the pot, followed by 1 cup of sour cream. Go ahead and stir that in. Now gently mash the potatoes, but not too aggressively so you can have some chunks of potatoes. Then taste and adjust salt and pepper to your liking. Garnish the potato soup with sour cream, some shredded cheddar cheese, and fresh parsley. And that is it. Now you're good to go. And there you have it, creamy sausage potato soup. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.